Hello, I am Charles. I am a livestock farmer here in Nigeria. I am passionate about rabbit rearing and other livestock. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be sharing my skills, knowledge, passion, and story as it relates to my creativity, business, and family. Expect videos on rabbit farming for beginners, step-by-step guide for new rabbit farmers, how to start a rabbit farm, choosing the right rabbit breed, essential rabbit farming equipment, profitable rabbit farming business, rabbit breed secrets. If you like this kind of content, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I release my videos weekly. See you on my next video. Bye.